Hello everyone, this is Khairul Alam Shobus from All Math Matters. Welcome to my online math class. Hello students, welcome to my another new online class. So today I am going to discuss about the all possible formulas from algebraic expression actually for the exercise 3.1 and 3.2. And these formulas are so important and these are used all over the maths. Okay, actually these formulas will be required for the grade 9 and grade 10 students. So now I'll try to explain the all possible formulas of algebraic expression one by one. Okay, first of all, the formulas for the square. Okay, so number one, a plus b whole square. So the formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square, or you can use alternate formula. When you find the value of a given expression, you can use this formula also, a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Okay, number two, that is a minus b whole square. The formula is a square negative 2ab plus b square, or you can use a plus b whole square negative 4ab. So keep in mind this alternate formula will be used for finding the value of given expression. Okay, now number three. So number three is a square plus b square, and this is very important formula for solving the given expression. Okay, so now we learn two formulas from this expression, that is a plus b whole square negative 2ab, or a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So keep in mind, if the given expression is a plus b, that means the given value is a plus b, then you must use the first formula. And in the question, if the given values is a minus b like that, then you must use the second formula. Okay, it depends on the question. Okay, now we will learn another important formula, that is a square negative b square. The formula is a plus b multiple a minus b. Actually this formula will be used for finding the factorization. Actually when you do the factorization, you must need to know this formula, because in most of the factorization this formula will be so important. Okay, now we will try to derive some corollary formula from this number 1 and 2. So, and these formulas also so important, that is number 5. So if you add these two formulas, that is if you add the first two formulas, then you will get 2 multiple a square plus b square equal a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. And this is so important. If the question is find the value of 2 into a square plus b square, and given two values are a plus b and a minus b, then you can use this formula and it will be so easy for you. Okay, these 5 formulas are so important when you will find the value or when you will do the factorization. Okay, now I'll show more formula for the square. Okay, now number 6. Actually this formula will be used for finding the expression. Actually if the question asks you to express a numbers as a difference of two square, so that means then you must need to know this formula ab. So ab equal a plus b over 2 whole square negative a minus b over 2 whole square. Okay, so this formula is so important, and from this expression we can derive another formula, that is 4ab. So if you do here some simplification, then you will get 4ab equal a plus b whole square negative a minus b whole square. That means when you will find the value of the given expression, and if two informations will be given, that is a plus b and a minus b, then you can use this formula. Okay, so now the last formula for the square, that is Number 7. So if there is 3 terms, that is a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, so up to 1 to 6 we learned the all formulas for 2 values. So if there are 3 terms, then how we can use the formula for the square. So this formula is so important, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, this is the formula for finding the square of 3 terms. Okay, so from this expression you can derive another 2 formulas. Actually, if the question asks you to find the a square plus b square plus c square, then you can make another formula, that is a square plus b square plus c square equal a plus b plus c whole square negative 2 multiple ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, and you can also find another formula. If the question asks you to find the value of ab plus bc plus ca, you just rearrange this value, then you will get the formula. But this is the main formula. If someone know this formula number 7, you can rearrange this and you can find the value according to the questions. Okay, so these all about this square formula, and you must need to know this formula for solving the sums from exercise 3.1. Okay, now I'll show some formula for the cube. Okay, so now formula for cube, that means in number 1, if the formula is a plus b whole cube, okay, then you can write a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so for a plus b whole cube equal a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, or you can write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So this is another expression for a plus b whole cube. Okay, then a minus b whole cube. So what will be the formula for a minus b whole cube? That is a cube negative 3a square b plus 3ab square negative b cube. Or you can use this formula like that, a cube negative b cube negative 3ab into a minus b. So for finding the value of this expression, or sometimes the question asks you to find the value of a cube negative b cube. Okay, now we learn the formula number 3 in cube. So that is a cube plus b cube. And what will be the formula? So you must need to know 2 formulas for a cube plus b cube. One for the factorization and another for the evaluation, the value, that means the given expression. If you need to find the value of the given expression, then you need to know the second formula. Okay, first formula is a plus b multiple a square minus ab plus b square. Actually this formula is for the factorization. Now the second formula is a plus b whole cube negative 3ab into a plus b. So and this formula is for finding the value of given expression. Okay, so now number 4, if it is a cube negative b cube, then the formula will be a minus b. Actually the sign will be changed, so a square plus ab plus b square, and the alternate formula will be a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So these 4 are the most important formula for finding the value and also do the factorization if it is given as a cube term. Okay, so we need to know another formula. Actually this formula is not usually used for all the sums. Actually this formula will be used when you do the higher mathematics. Okay, the problems for the higher mathematics, then you need to know this formula. Okay, now we will learn another formula from cube. Actually this formula is quite different. Okay, now formula number 5. If it is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, then you can use this formula, that is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square negative ab negative bc negative c. Okay, so in some case you need to know this formula, because sometimes the question asks you to find the value of this. Sometimes it will be given this and this and this, you need to find the value of this. So then you must need to know this formula, and this formula can be written in another way, that is half into a plus b plus c multiple a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus c whole square. That means you can use another form of this formula, that is half into a plus b plus c into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. So these all about the formulas for a square and cube. Okay, now I'll show some expression actually when you'll find the value of the given problems. Actually when you'll solve the problems from this exercise 3.1 and 3.2, creative question will come from this exercise 3.1 and 3.2, and these problems will be combined. Actually one information will be given, you need to solve by using the square formula and also the cube formulas. Okay, now I'll show some expression. Actually in some cases students are facing problems to solve this expression, so now I'll show some this. Okay, now I'll show this expression, how to use the formula from this expression. Okay, actually how to make the formula from this given expression. Okay, now I'll try to show this expression, how we can make the formula from this expression. Suppose if given x plus 1 over x equal p, let's say one value will be given and the term will be like that, x plus 1 by x equal p. It could be any number, it could be any alphabet, or it could be p plus 1 by p, a plus 1 by a, q plus 1 by q, or y plus 1 by y. That means here x could be any alphabet. Okay, number 1, if the question asks you to find the value of x to the power 5 plus 1 over x to the power 5. Okay, and only one information will be given, that is x plus 1 by x equal p. Then how you can solve this? Okay, so here look at, we don't know any formula like that, a to the power 5 plus 1 by b to the power 5. So we didn't learn any formula like that. Okay, but we can write this expression like that, x cube plus 1 over x cube multiple x square plus 1 over x square. Okay, and subtract x plus 1 over x. So in that you can easily find the value of this given expression, because now you can use this cube formula and here the square formula, and this value already given. So by using the formula now you can easily solve this problem. Okay, so it could be like that, x to the power 7 plus 1 by x to the power 7. So how you can solve this? Okay, so in that case the same thing, you can write it like that, 1 by x to the power 5 multiple x square plus 1 by x square negative x cube plus 1 by x cube. That means from number 1 you can, if someone know the use of number 1, that how you can break down this expression, then you can easily find the x to the power 7 plus 1 by x to the power 7, or it could be x to the power 11 plus 1 by x to the power 11, like that. Actually normally the question will come like number 1, in some case it will come number 2. Okay, so if you know how to break down this expression, then you can easily use this formula, because we already know how to use the cube and how to use the square formula. Okay, so actually the creative question will come like that, one information will be given, you need to solve the expression or you need to prove or you need to show this value equals something. Okay, so class, if you practice this all formulas properly, then I think you can easily solve the problems from exercise 3.1 and 3.2. Actually, today's lecture is basic lecture for the exercise 3.1 and 3.2. Actually, I'll give you the all solution for the exercise 3.1 and exercise 3.2. So I'll try to solve the all problems from your book, and after solving these all problems from your book, I'll make some creative questions and try to solve this, and I think it will be very helpful for you to solve the question. Actually, when you solve the test papers, actually the past papers question, then it will be very helpful to you how to make the creative question and how to solve the creative question. Okay class, so thank you everyone for watching this lecture. So see you in the next class. Okay, so